Hi, today for review OPPO Reno 8 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get Ampere application from the Play Store, that's why enter here the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we just should open the application, click yes, I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and after that we'll see here information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 33.3 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.